Alright, so we've imported our data, and I just wanted to go over, some of the options of the live preview, and I kind of rushed the end of it, so I wanted to go over real quick the theme options again. So just touching on it real quick, the homepage settings, we enabled the homepage display boxes, and for the choose a homepage parent page, we selected, homepage display boxes as the page. And then under slider settings for the slider parent page, we selected homepage slider. So that is going to display our live preview. we need to do some other things. So if we go to our portfolio, we have some demo portfolio items. And then, but if we go to our 3, 2, and 1 portfolio, nothing's displaying. And it's just because we need to pick associate those pages with the portfolio types. So if we go to pages and we choose 1, 2, and 3 portfolio, so I'm going to start with 1 column portfolio. We go down to the page options at the bottom and portfolio type. Let's select 1 column type and we update the page. And then we can refresh the page, and then now it works. And so under 1 column portfolio, for example, I have a video example, and that's associated under portfolio. And if you're trying to look for which video example it is, you can go to type, 1 column type, click the link, and then we can edit that. And you can see how I created it. So for example, the more link at the bottom is created with this more at insert more tag, and I'm using a simple shortcode checklist to create that checklist, and then the video player link is inserted right there. So it's all pretty simple. I just wanted to give you a couple examples without creating 30 portfolio items that you had to delete when you wanted to create your own website. So let's go back to pages and 2 column portfolio. We're going to select 2 column type and update it. 3 column, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to select 3 column type and update the page. And then now you have a working live preview. And you'll notice that it's not identical to the live preview, and that's because I didn't want to give you so many pages that you had to start deleting things. I really just wanted to give you the core stuff so that you had an example of basically everything on the site, but not too much. Redundancy. There was no reason to have 6 homepage display boxes. 3 was more than enough. And homepage slider, we can go there under theme options, and you can start changing the slider type. One of the slides has a video on the content slider already. If you want to check that out, I have an example. So for the homepage, we'll go under pages, and for the display boxes, you can see I already have the parent and child relationship set up for you. And yeah, so go crazy on the demo content. You can just see how everything was built, the portfolio categories and types and all of that kind of stuff should be all set up for you. And that's the live preview demo content. One last thing I wanted to touch on was the widget areas. You can't bring that in from the live preview, but if you go under widgets, they're all here. So you have blog, pages, and you can just see the widget video. There's no special way to build them. They're already built for you. So don't worry about the widgets. They're all under appearance and widgets. And that is it for the live preview video.